testing. Testing. Still getting used to this camera. Hello, hi. I feel like we're always in my bathroom. This is where magic and things happen in here. I don't even know how to start this vlog. I just know that this week is my last week in my 20s. Dude, I'm going to be 30 years old. That's a real adult. It's crazy, but I'm also really going in super confident and excited. I have so much stuff I have to do this week, so I decided to just vlog it all. Also celebrating my dirty 30 in Cabo this weekend. Great company, great food, lots of tequila. I feel like that's just the right way to do it. I have to say, guys, something I have to admit on here is that I remember years ago, I was asked actually by like a colleague where I saw myself at the age of 30. I literally was like 4 kids, married. Things just didn't turn out that way, and I'm actually really happy they didn't. Sebastian wouldn't be here, Ollie wouldn't be here. Like, so many things didn't go the way I thought they were going to, but they went so much better. I have to say, like, the thought also of turning 30 used to scare me, terrify me. I feel so good and so confident, and I have to say, guys, I'm so proud of myself, like really proud of myself for everything I've accomplished, what I do today in life, where I am, being able to take care of my family, and I just feel really good. Like, I'm so excited. Like, this is a new chapter, and this chapter can unfold so many other things. You guys, marriage, I don't know, is that happening soon? It could be. You know, it's something that I'm like, I feel confident now. Years ago, I was like, I don't know if I'm ready for that stuff. I don't know, but now it's like, I'm okay with anything that comes at me in life now. I could be getting all sentimental right now. I gotta do a little mask. I really don't have a mask in here. Who am I? One last rager in Cabo. I'm just gonna live my life. I'm not even gonna sleep. I'm just gonna party until the sun comes up, literally. I feel like this vlog's gonna have to be split into 2. The amount of stuff I have to do all week, I feel like is gonna just be one vlog alone. So I think we're gonna do 2 vlogs. One being the rager and then one being the prep. Jamie from the airport, pedicures, nails, a little bit of Botox. There's so much stuff before a trip to do, and because it is my 30th, I feel like I have to really go in. Normally I don't go get Botox every trip I go on. I mean, that'd be amazing, but so today I'm just running a ton of errands. I'm gonna start kind of packing. You guys don't even want to see my room right now. It's so bad. There's clothes everywhere because I'm trying to decide what I want to take. I'm gonna show you guys my closet though, so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Close your eyes. If there's one thing that hasn't changed about me, it's this. I feel like this is always before a trip, and I'm really crazy because I have to clean it before I go. Like, I can't leave it like this. I'm gonna decide what I want to take, and then whatever I don't want, I'm going to have to put it back. What's up, Pops? Hi, babe.
Several days later.
What up? Literally, I've been in traffic for like an hour now. So I just got here into Newport Beach. I'm headed to California Cosmetics. Not that kind of cosmetics. We're gonna be doing a little zhuzh to my face. I figured, gonna go in 30 feeling refreshed and firm, if you know what I mean. So I pretty much come down here because this is where I get my Botox. I'm gonna be just doing Botox on my forehead, laugh line, a little bit on the crow's feet. I feel like I'm starting to get that. The only thing we're not gonna do today is my lips. I don't do them anymore. We know the story. I'll just overdraw for the rest of my life. It's totally fine. We are pulling out. I'm so excited. Guys, I need coffee so bad. I need coffee. Like, bitch. Alrighty, we have made it. And look how pretty this office is. This isn't even an office. This is like a retreat in here. It's so nice. So it's really cute because all of the rooms are so different. They have like a different theme in there. It's like very girly. Ooh, so this is a hydrofacial room. They do facials here as well. How cute this is. I think it's my room last time too, right?
Yeah.
By the way, this is Carissa. She's always so sweet and helpful when I'm here. So
we love having her.
Thank you.
My life is complete.
Oh, she's isn't she so pretty? Like anybody? If you see her face, you can definitely trust her hands on your face.
Well, now that I'll have this makeup on, I'll be so much more.
What do we call this? A 30 what? Not a 30 makeover, but kind of like a 30, like
beauty refreshment.
Yes. So I'm gonna be doing Botox, laugh lines, crow's feet, of course. It's kind of like the main things that I feel I don't want to droop. I mean, they haven't because I'm pretty good at being consistent with my appointments and you know, working on not frowning as much. I have Sebastian here, moral support. After Cabo, no more drinking, no more going out. I've been in gym mode, but I'm only going 3 days a week. I'm gonna start going like 6 days a week.
Hey.
Yeah.
Go Karen.
So we just went over my concerns, and I know you guys are probably like, you just went, like what more do you need? No, this is just like a little kind of like maintenance, refreshing up, touching up. So I told her obviously Botox is one that I feel needed. I'm always mad at Sebastian. I'm always angry.
Let me see your dirty look. Wow.
It could be worse.
Yeah.
He's seen, I think, the worst I do. I just want to be like,
yeah.
How are
Well,
you?
Botox is something you do every 3 to 4 months, and staying ahead of it puts your skin ahead of the
Preventative,
wrinkle.
right?
Yeah.
Do you feel that some people like for me, because the last time I came was almost like 3 months ago. Do you feel like some people like they need it faster?
Yeah.
Like stronger features, probably.
Yeah, for sure. But also, if they're not like dosing the medication properly, like if someone comes and they're like giving a dirty look and you can see it all the way in freaking Mexico, then obviously like you need a lot more Botox to like neutralize the area, and that's where people go wrong. They underdose it and then it wears off quicker. Yeah. And then like my body metabolizes it. It's like, no, you need to kick up the units because it's a medication. So the dosage is dependent on muscle movement.
All right, let's get started. Do this. Doing a little bit of numbing. This isn't really like, I feel like this area doesn't really hurt, but it's always better to stiff them. Sorry.
She has a high pain tolerance. I like to think it's my gentle hand.
All right, we just added some numbing cream onto the cheek area. So we're gonna be adding a little bit right here. One of my problem areas is my laugh lines, but because we don't wanna just pump this, we're gonna lift this up, which will naturally like lift this area and make it look just nice and fresh and juiced up. Which does sound bad, juiced up. Just a little plump, a little apple, you know what I mean?
Well, so it's like if you start filling this area over and over because you have those lines, like it just makes the face look very heavy. So we like to lift it from the mid. That's what I'm about to do right now. All right.
It doesn't hurt, guys. I promise you. I'm just very dramatic.
Such a small.
It's literally. It feels like a. This hurts less than actually getting laser. Like I will do this any day over getting this or my BJJ.
Oh,
laser. That feels like bee stings.
That's like an electric shock to an area that should be shocked.
It feels like hella bee stings just stinging my vagina.
Okay, relax.
See, it's like a little,
just a little tiny kick. Jump.
See, guys, doesn't hurt.
She's all. Doesn't hurt, I promise.
No. Hey, how stiff is my hair?
I was like, you have a helmet on. I'm like,
in the car, I literally went like this, and I'm like, God.
Seriously, I was resting my hand on your head, and I'm like, dang, this is the first.
It's usually never this stiff, but you know, my hair was wet when I left, so I had to like.
Oh, you could like literally headbutt someone and really hurt them with that hair. Like it's awesome. Okay, raise up again. We do a little bit of a lighter treatment just because she doesn't want to be like super frozen and she doesn't want to lose like her, her expressions. She wants to be able to still
yell.
Yeah, exactly. She wants to still
throw
scare
chanclas at my man and
still scare people here and there when she needs to. Yeah. All right, give me that mad dog look that scared me. Okay, she's alive. She has a drop of blood. I was worried. I was like, wait,
where'd it go?
Yeah. She's real.
She's a real person. Oh my goodness.
Alright, we just finished up. I don't know if you guys can see like the instant plumpness it does to my cheek area. As I mentioned, it's going to lift right here. Yep. We did Botox and then we did a little brow lift. Think of it like me wearing my ponytail at all times now. Like it's gonna be just,
Beautiful, I love it.
Thank you, Leah. She's the best. If you guys are in the Orange County or even Corona area, they have 2 offices in California. Definitely check them out. You will be so happy with all the work. Check out her Instagram. It'll be right here. You guys can see all the before and afters, kind of what they do here, and see if this is the right place for you.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Morning, what can I get you?
Hi, good morning. Can I please get a venti ice cinnamon dulce latte with almond milk and no whip?
Awesome, I'll see you soon this evening.
Thank you. This is what I ordered. Ice cinnamon dulce latte, almond milk, no whip. Of course, I go to the nudes. I'm so basic. I always do nudes and peaches. That's it. Can't really do anything else. got my nails done here at Mia Bella, and they look so good. But check this out. Me and bling is totally unheard of. Like, you guys know I'm the most basic person, and I got bling, and look how pretty it looks. But I love the way the nails came out. And then right now I'm getting a pedicure, and I want to show you guys because my toes are really chubby.
Jamie said, give me everything that you have. So did Jack. They have 14, they have an 8, and what?
Not a real meal.
Yeah. Not a real meal.
Something really weird about me though when it comes to sushi, I can't start on the end. I have to go like for the middle pieces. Kind of like the bread situation. Like that.
How's your stuff?
Good.
Have you had your miso?
No, they get miso. No.
No, it's no.
Guests do not pay ever. No.
Yeah, you're right, it's not.
Guests don't pay. Because if I went to Scotland, you wouldn't let me pay, would you?
Oh, would you?
No.
Exactly. So,
Exactly.
No.
Your mate's not plugged in.
No. All right, next appointment, we are getting spray tan with Isabel. She brings the salon to me. This is her mix right here. She whips it up. It's a secret ingredient, right?
Totally.
And she knows how to get you nice and bronzy.
Do you want to get a spray tan indulgent glow too?
He's like, no.
No spray tan.
Yes. Oh, good boy.
So cute.
All right, I'm ready. Woohoo. Your hair's in the way. Woo.
You are so tanned. Bend over, Karen.
Jamie is getting a spray tan. This is your first time?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
I'm actually fine. It's like being outside in Scotland.
Bend over, baby. Here's my spray tan. Very bronzy, very golden. It actually is going to get darker as time goes on, but in the morning when I shower, it's going to rinse off and look beautiful.
I'm so excited.
I know. We love Isabel. You're from LA. Highly recommend getting a spray tan by her. She's incredible. We are ready to go to Cabo. Thank you.
Proceed to the next step.
Thanks. I can't even tell because it's so heavy.
0 pounds.
See.
That's like our dog.
Let me see. Sebas is 53. Okay. Sebas is
But
under.
like, technically it's like 40, because
Mine's just gonna be heavy.
half of it is almost yours.
No, it's not.
I don't know.
It's less than you.
Less than me.
You have 53?
Yeah, but half of it's yours.
It's not.
Unproblematic.
Jack is gonna be like 10.
Yeah.
Look at.
Look at how he's holding it.
Let me see.
It's extremely strong.
Wow. We're closer to our destination. We just went through TSA. Poor Jamie thought we left her. I would never leave her.
Where did you go?
I had to go pee pee. I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1.
I was like waiting for you the time that I like get up, you come.
Have you missed us?
Of course, I wanted you guys to get here like now.
Well, there's a bar downstairs. I think we should go get drinks at the bar. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, it's kind of quiet.
On the boot. At the horn. What's called?
El cuerno.
I dream about this from
El cuerno.
Yo, if you want the horn,
El cuerno.
Billy shit.
The bota's coming.
I don't want that. I'll administer the horn to everybody.
Are you doing a bota shot, babe? Are you doing a bota shot?
You have to get pedos.
Are you doing one? Yes.
I'll be the documentary maker, and I'll make sure that I capture every single person taking La Bota. I'm actually terrified of everybody.
I'm ready.
I brought it, and it's wrapped in like super cushion. Esa mano se va a quebrar.
Did you bring yours?
The powers
Oh
of
my
the bota,
god.
like, just-
Wait, Les and Shayla are gonna get here. Should we grab them a shot too?
Well, there's 2 extra. There's an extra
Oh,
tequila, there's an extra
perfect.
vodka.
They still got like 30 minutes though.
No, they're already in the airport.
Oh really? Oh my god.
What is
Hi, friend.
What's
up?
It's so good, isn't it?
God, she brought the inches. I'm really confused. Whose birthday is it? Mine or yours? Hey, friend. Okay, here, give us a little slayage. Go. Yeah. I love it. Jamie just texted Sebastian's spot. Sorry. Sorry, Jack. You've been replaced. You both have been replaced.
We have what?
You're replaced.
On a plane?
No, we're not replaced. We upgrade.
Which yours?
We upgraded.
Stop.
Out of my life.
I just met a friend on my flight. Look what she has, guys. My sticker. Nice meeting you. Bye. Fun in Cabo. Show my discolor sticker on our phone. That is some love right there.